How to keep your brain young? Even though genetics and exercise play a large role in brain health and the risk of developing dementia, diet is also quite influential, too. There is no magical elixir that can cure or completely prevent dementia or Alzheimer's disease, but scientists are advising certain brain nutrients that are associated with improved cognitive function or memory. Nootropics are any type of compound or food that has the ability to improve the mental abilities, including memory, ability to focus, motivation, or even mood. Cocoa flavonols found naturally in cocoa are beneficial to brain health. They make the dark chocolate healthier than the regular one containing milk and sugar. A 2014 study examined the impact of eating a high cocoa flavonol diet over the course of 3 months. The researchers focused primarily on the dentate gyrus, a part of the hippocampal formation in the brain that, when it declines, is often associated with aging and memory loss. After eating a lot of cocoa flavonols, the researchers report that the participants experienced enhanced DG function. Fishes like salmon, mackerel, and tuna are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. They are not only good for heart health, but they will also boost the brain power. According to a 2014 study, supplements of omega-3 polyunsaturated fatty acid showed improved cognitive function while aging. It improves object recognition memory, spatial and localized memory, and aversive response retention. DHA, an omega-3 fatty acid supplements significantly improve cognitive development in infants. DHA protects against certain psychiatric disorders and is a safer preventive measure to reduce the risk of progression of certain psychiatric disorders. Various surveys of people with major depression indicate they have depleted levels of omega-3 fatty acids, and one large study found depressive symptoms were significantly higher among infrequent fish consumers. One review shows it can protect against mild cognitive impairment, dementia, and the risk and progression of Alzheimer's disease in the elderly. Like fish, nuts also contain omega-3 fatty acids. Walnuts, in particular, have been shown to fight memory loss. In one recent large-scale analysis, researchers found that a diet supplemented with walnuts, which are high in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, folate, antioxidants, and melatonin, improved adults' performances on a series of 6 cognitive tests. Scientists believe that a magnesium deficiency may play a role in cognitive decline, brain aging, and ultimately, dementia. Taking magnesium supplements or eating foods that contain magnesium, like chard, spinach, pumpkin seeds, yogurt, almonds, black beans, avocados, figs, dark chocolate, or bananas help to fight off the effects of the aging brain. Blueberries are delicious, and help in boosting the memory. They were shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Blueberries contain anthocyanins, compounds that are associated with increased neuronal signaling in the brain's memory areas. According to a 2010 study, researchers found that participants who drank wild blueberry juice on a daily basis had improvements in paired associate learning and word list recall. They also found lower depressive symptoms and glucose levels. According to the National Institute on Aging, eating a lot of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help stave off cognitive decline as well as other chronic diseases, like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Green leafy, cruciferous vegetables, particularly broccoli and spinach, have been shown to reduce the rate of cognitive decline. The Mediterranean diet, containing vegetables, legumes, fruits, cereals, fish, olive oil, as well as low amount of saturated fats, dairy, meat, and poultry, has shown in studies to be beneficial for cognitive health compared to more Western diets that are high in fats, carbs, and meat. Green tea is good for a lot of things, including the protection of brain. In a recent study completed at the University of Basel, researchers found that green tea extract enhances thinking process and working memory. Participants scored higher for working memory tasks after they received the green tea extract. and a magnetic resonance imaging showed a boost in connectivity between the parietal and frontal cortex of the brain. Green tea increased the short-term synaptic plasticity of the brain. Neuroscientists are acquiring a more detailed understanding of the brain, the result being many new pharmaceutical drugs which target exact regions of the brain are in the works. They do an equally good job of improving brain function over the long haul. Creatine is an old favorite among gym rats, who use it to enhance their sports performance, but over the past decade or so, the supplement's neuro-enhancing abilities have been demonstrated as well. This enhanced the intelligence test scores by improving memory. Creatine has a significant positive effect on both working memory and intelligence, particularly regarding tasks that require speed of processing. L-Theanine found in green tea and mushrooms has been found to affect the levels of some neurotransmitters, to prevent beta-amyloid-induced brain dysfunction, and to protect against stroke. L-Theanine improves sleep quality in boys with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Several studies indicate a combination of L-Theanine and caffeine can improve cognitive performance, in the areas of focus and alertness. Passion flower is taken for its anti-anxiety effects, which have been proven in smaller scientific studies though not yet confirmed in large-scale studies. Some people use it to treat insomnia as well as neuralgia and withdrawal symptoms while coming off opiates or benzodiazepines. In patients undergoing surgery as well as those about to be treated by a dentist, passion flower has been effectively used to reduce apprehension. Do your research and seek a doctor or TMS advice before popping any pill, natural or not, and some are allergic to. Thank you for viewing.